Max was a happy and playful dog who loved food more than anything. One day, while wandering through the village, he found a big, juicy bone lying near a butcher's shop. His eyes lit up with excitement, and without wasting a second, he grabbed the bone and ran away, his tail wagging with joy. He felt proud of his treasure and wanted to find a quiet place to enjoy it without any other dogs bothering him. As he walked, he came across a small wooden bridge that stretched over a clear, flowing river. The sun was shining brightly, and the water below sparkled like glass. Curious, Max stopped for a moment and looked down into the river. To his surprise, he saw another dog in the water staring back at him. This dog also had a bone in his mouth, and to Max, it looked even bigger and tastier than his own. His eyes filled with greed. "If I take that bone too, he'll have two," he thought. Without realizing it was just his own reflection, Max let out a deep growl and opened his mouth to scare the other dog away. But the moment he did, his own bone slipped from his mouth and fell into the river with a loud splash. He watched in horror as the water carried it away, sinking out of sight. Max panicked. He barked and pawed at the water, hoping to get his bone back, but it was no use. The river kept flowing, and his delicious treat was gone forever. He sat there for a while, feeling sad and foolish. If only he hadn't been so greedy. He already had a bone, but because he wanted more, he ended up with nothing. With a heavy heart, Max walked away, learning an important lesson. Greed can make us lose what we already have.